We are pleased to show you the 2008 Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes standard with a Vortec 6.2-liter and 5.3-liter V8 engine and an electronically controlled 6-speed automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: XM satellite radio, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, center armrest, AM/FM CD MP3 radio, power door locks, rear window defroster, power windows. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.